In this video, I will show you 3 different websites that no one is talking about where you can easily earn money every day and they are completely free. The first website is respondent.io, and after you click on the first link, the website will look like this. And now just click here where it says participants. So now, as you can see, this website pays you to share your knowledge and experience, and if you scroll down here, you can see how much you get paid from this website, unlike other similar websites that pay you coins for doing tasks. They pay. The respondent is not like this. Here it is determined how much the respondent will give you. For example, $100 and $500 per hour just for participation in studies, 100% legal. You can look it up online. If you look, it has been in business for years and it is very easy to register on this website. Just go up, click here where it says start, and then select this option here where it says from participants, because we want to make money. So just click on that, and then it will take you to this page to fill in your information. So just type your first and last name here, and you should put your work email, or you can sign up with your LinkedIn or Facebook account. The reason they pay good money, it's because it works with big companies like Microsoft and IBM. After you register and confirm your email, your dashboard will appear on the website, and then the answering algorithm will start sending you research studies based on your experience. After completing these projects, you will be paid via PayPal, or you can add your bank account. Before continuing with the video, be sure to subscribe us and press the bell button to stay informed about our tutorials. The second website we have listed is called usreview.com. It is a website where you can read books, review them, and earn 100% free, and also works worldwide. So if you enjoy reading, this is a great opportunity for you to earn money online from the comfort of your home. This website can pay you anywhere from $25 to $75 for every book you review now. There are also other review websites like Online Book Club, which also claims to pay you for every book review you do, but the problem with this site is that most of them reject your book review, and for whatever reason they don't pay you for it. But that's not the case with the other sites. A US book review website. This website literally pays you for every book review. So if you enjoy reading and are currently using your free time to read, you might as well get paid for it. The third website is called Sweetcoin. This is a program that rewards you with coins for working, and then you can redeem these coins for various products and services such as iPhone, tablets, Apple Watches. 1 million points in Google Play and almost 1,000 points in App Store. And as you can see here, it's only 2 steps to go and earn money. So all you have to do is download the app and then move on with your life, and this app it does the work for you.